Exercise 3.3. First, the basics. Substitution method. Let's take an example. इस मेथड में हम क्या करते हैं, एक वेरिएबल की वैल्यू को दूसरे वेरिएबल की टर्म्स में सॉल्व करते हैं और फिर दूसरी इक्वेशन में उस वेरिएबल को रिप्लेस कर देते हैं दूसरे वेरिएबल की टर्म्स में. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 7x minus 15y is equal to 2, x plus 2y is equal to 3. स्टेप 1 में हम क्या करते हैं, इनमें से कोई भी इक्वेशन लेते हैं और उसे एक ही वेरिएबल में कन्वर्ट करने की कोशिश करते हैं. जैसे इस केस में हमने x को y की टर्म्स में कन्वर्ट करने की कोशिश की. सो x is equal to 3 minus 2y. स्टेप 2, सब्स्टिट्यूट द वैल्यू ऑफ x इन इक्वेशन 1. तो जहां भी x है उसकी जगह हम 3 minus 2y यूज करेंगे. अब इक्वेशन सॉल्व करके यहाँ से y की वैल्यू आ जाएगी. अब उस y की वैल्यू को दूसरी इक्वेशन में सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे ताकि x की वैल्यू आ सके. इसे वेरीफाई करने के लिए हम पुट करके देखेंगे दोनों की वैल्यूज को. जो हमारे x की वैल्यू आएगी और जो y की वैल्यू आएगी वो पुट करने के बाद अगर इक्वेशन सेटिस्फाई होती है, दैट मीन्स अगर फर्स्ट इक्वेशन में x और y की वैल्यू पुट करेंगे तो आंसर 2 आना चाहिए. अगर ऐसा होता है तो हमारा आंसर ठीक है. We have substituted the value of one variable by expressing it in terms of the other variable to solve the pair of equations. That is why it is known as substitution method. अब इसी मेथड से हमें एक्सरसाइज को सॉल्व करना है. एक्सरसाइज 3.3 क्वेश्चन 1. पार्ट 1, x plus y is equal to 14 and x minus y is equal to 4. Now taking equation 1, x plus y is equal to 14. So from here x is equal to 14 minus y. हमने क्या किया, x को y की टर्म्स में रिप्रेजेंट कर दिया. So this is our equation 3. Putting value of x in equation 2, we get 14 minus y is equal to 4. So that means 14 minus 2y is equal to 4. Minus 2y is equal to 4 minus 14, that is minus 10. So y is equal to minus 10 upon minus 2. So that is minus gets cancelled. Y is equal to 10 by 2, that is 5. Now putting the value of y in equation 3, we get x is equal to 14 minus 5, that is x is equal to 9. So from here we get the answer x is equal to 9 and y is equal to 5. Part 2, s minus t is equal to 3. Equation 1, it becomes s by 3 plus t by 2 is equal to 6. Take the LCM as 6, we get 2s plus 3t is 6. So that becomes 2s plus 3t is equal to 36. So this is our equation 2. Taking equation 1, we get s minus t is equal to 3. So from here s is equal to t plus 3. That is equation 3rd. Putting value of s in equation 2, we get 2 into 3 plus t plus 3t is equal to 36. That implies 6 plus 2t plus 3t is equal to 36. 6 plus 5t is equal to 36. So 5t is equal to 36 minus 6, that is equal to 30. So from here we get 5t is equal to 30 and t is equal to 30 upon 5, that is 6. So value of t is value of t in equation 3, we get s is equal to 3 plus 6, that means 9. So from here answer of s is equal to 9 and t is equal to 6. Part 3. 3x minus y is equal to 3. This is our equation 1. 9x minus 3y is equal to 9. This is equation 2. Here a1 is 3, b1 is minus 1, c1 is 3, a2 is 9, b2 is minus 3 and c2 is 9. So a1 by a2 is equal to 3 upon 9, that is 1 by 3. b1 upon b2 is equal to minus 1 upon minus 3, minus minus gets cancelled, it becomes 1 by 3. c1 by c2 is equal to 3 by 9, that is 1 by 3. So here a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. So that means the system has infinitely many solutions. Part 4. 0.2x plus 0.3y is equal to 1.3. That implies 2x upon 10 plus 3 upon 10y is equal to 13 upon 10. If we take LCM, we will get 2x plus 3y is equal to 13 upon 10. 10 and 10 gets cancelled. So equation becomes 2x plus 3y is equal to 13. This is our equation 1. Now 0.4 x plus 0.5y is equal to 2.3. So that implies 4x upon 10 plus 5y upon 10 is equal to 23 upon 10. So if we take LCM, we will get 4x plus 5y upon 10 is equal to 23 upon 10. 10 and 10 gets cancelled. So the equation becomes 4x plus 5y is equal to 23. This is our equation 2. Taking equation 1, we have 2x plus 3y is equal to 13. So from here we get 2x is equal to 13 minus 3y. So that implies x is equal to 13 minus 3y upon 2. This is equation 3. Putting value of x in equation 2, we will get 4 into 13 minus 3y upon 2 plus 5y is equal to 23. 2 are 4. So we will get 26 minus 6y plus 5y is equal to 23. That implies 26 minus y is equal to 23. So minus y is equal to 23 minus 26. That is equal to minus 3. So minus minus gets cancelled. And y is equal to 3. Putting value of y in equation 3, we get x is equal to 13 minus 3 into 3 upon 2. So that becomes 13 minus 9 upon 2. So that is 4 by 2. So 2 2s are 4. So value of x becomes 2. So value of x is 2 and value of y is 3. This is our answer. Part 5. Root 2x plus root 3y is equal to 0 is equation 1. Root 3x minus root 8y is equal to 0 is equation 2. Taking equation 1, we have root 2x plus root 3y is equal to 0. From here we will get root 2x is equal to minus of root 3y. So that implies x is equal to minus root 3 y upon root 2. This is equation 3. Putting value of x in equation 2, we get root 3 into minus of root 3y upon root 2 minus of root 8y is equal to 0. So that becomes minus of 3y upon root 2 minus root 8y is equal to 0. So from here we'll take y as common. So it becomes y into minus of 3 upon root 2 minus root 8 is equal to 0. So value of y is 0 upon minus of 3 upon root 2 minus root 8. So value becomes 0. Now putting value of y in equation 3, we get x is equal to minus root 3 into 0 plus 0 upon root 2. So that means x is equal to 0. From here we get x is equal to 0 and y also is equal to 0. This is our answer. Part 6. 3x upon 2 minus 5y upon 3 is equal to minus 2. Now we'll take LCM. LCM is 6. So we'll get 9x minus 10y is equal to minus 2. So 9x minus 10y is equal to 6 multiplied by minus 2. So that implies 9x minus 10y is equal to minus 12. This is our equation 1. X upon 3 plus y upon 2 is equal to 13 by 6. So LCM here is 6. We will get 2x plus 3y upon 6 is equal to 13 upon 6. From 6 and 6 get cancelled here. So we will get 2x plus 3y is equal to 13. This is equation 2. Taking equation 1, we have 9x minus 10y is equal to minus 12. So from here we can say 9x is equal to minus 12 plus 10y. So value of x is minus 12 plus 10 y upon 9. This is equation 3. Putting value of x in equation 2, we get 2 into minus 12 plus 10y upon 9 plus 3y is equal to 13. So we will get minus 24 plus 20y plus 3y upon 9 is equal to 13. So that becomes minus 24 plus 47y minus 24 plus 20y plus 27y upon 9 is equal to 13. So minus 24 plus 47y upon 9 is equal to 13. So we get minus 24 plus 47y is equal to 13 multiplied by 9. That means 47y is equal to 13 multiplied by 9, that is 117 plus 24. So 47y is equal to 141. So y is 141 upon 47. 47 ones are 47 threes are 141. So value of y is 3. Putting value of y in equation 3, we get x is equal to minus 12 plus 10 into 3 upon 9. So x is equal to minus 12 plus 30 upon 9. So that is equal to 18 upon 9. So 9 ones is 9, 9 twos are 18. So value of x is 2. Value of x is 2 and y is 3. This is our answer. Question 2. Solve 2x plus 3y is equal to 11 and 2x minus 4y is equal to minus 24, and hence find the value of m for which y is equal to mx plus 3. So 2x plus 3y is equal to 11. Take this as equation 1. 2x minus 4y is equal to minus 24. Take this as equation 2. Taking equation 1, we have 2x plus 3y is equal to 11. That implies 2x is equal to 11 minus 3y. So that is x is equal to 11 minus 3y upon 2. This is equation 3. Putting value of x in equation 2, we get 2 into 11 minus 3y upon 2 minus 4y is equal to minus 24. That implies 11 minus 3y minus 4y is equal to minus 24. That implies 11 minus 7y is equal to minus 24. And that implies minus 7y is equal to minus 24 minus 11, that is minus 35. So from here we get minus 7y is equal to minus 35. Minus minus gets cancelled. 7y is equal to 35. From here we get y is equal to 35 upon 7. 7 ones are 7, 7 5s are 35. So y is equal to 5. Putting value of y in equation 3, we get x is equal to 11 minus 3 into 5 upon 2. So that is equal to 11 minus 15 upon 2. That is equal to minus 4 upon 2. 2 ones is 2, 2 twos are 4. So that is equal to minus 2. So value of x is equal to minus 2. Value of x is minus 2 and value of y is 5. So let us put these values in equation y is equal to mx plus 3. That is 5 is equal to m into minus 2 plus 3. That is 5 minus 3 is equal to minus 2m. So this becomes minus 2m is equal to 2. That means m is equal to 2 upon minus 2. That is minus 1. So m is equal to minus 1.